Welcome to Complete Guide to Battery Optimization. Let's dive into this masterclass. Step 1. Enabling Battery Saver Mode. Go to Settings, tap on Battery, select Battery Saver and turn it on. This feature limits background processes, switches to a dark theme, restricts some visual effects, and even adjusts network connections to maximize battery life. Give it a try and keep your phone running longer. Step 2. Enable Smart Charging Mode. Go to Settings, tap on Battery, select Battery Health and turn on Smart Charging Mode. This feature charges your phone steadily overnight, helping to preserve long-term battery health. It's perfect for those who use their phone extensively during the day and charge it overnight. Protect your battery and keep your phone running strong. Step 3. Optimize your battery by managing background apps. Here's how. Go to Settings and tap on Apps. Scroll down and select the App Battery Usage tab. The goal here is to disable or restrict apps you don't use frequently. Tap on the All Apps tab. From the drop-down, select Unrestricted to view apps that have no battery usage limitations. Let's say I'm on vacation and won't be using the IKEA app for a while. I can simply click on the IKEA app and move it from unrestricted to restricted. Repeat this process for other less used apps to improve your phone's battery performance. Step 4. Boost your battery life by adjusting screen and display settings. Here's how. Start from the home screen. Go to Settings and tap on Display. Adjust brightness. Tap on Brightness Level, then use the slider to set the brightness to your comfort level. Enable Adaptive Brightness. Turn on the Adaptive Brightness option. This automatically adjusts the brightness based on your environment and activities. Set Screen Timeout. Optimize battery usage by reducing inactivity time. Tap Screen Timeout in the display section and set it to 15 or 30 seconds. Activate Dark Theme. Go back to the display section, find Dark Theme, and enable it for even better battery efficiency, especially on OLED screens. Use Night Light. For nighttime use, enable the Night Light feature in the display section. It reduces eye strain and conserves energy. Adjust refresh rate. If you're not a hardcore gamer, switch from the default 120 Hz to 60 Hz. Tap Display Refresh Rate in the display section, and choose Standard for reduced refresh rate and better battery life. Disable HDR display. HDR is great for gaming and streaming, but if your usage is minimal, disable it. Step 5. Disable unnecessary features. Turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular data and GPS when not in use. Step 6. Keep your software updated for better battery life. Regular updates often include optimizations to improve battery performance. Here's how to ensure your device is running the latest version of Nothing OS. From the home screen, go to the Settings menu. Scroll down and tap on About Phone. Inside, tap on the orange back cover image of your phone. This will take you to the Software Info menu. Tap on the Nothing OS section, and in the bottom right corner, select Check for Update. By keeping your software up to date, you'll unlock the latest enhancements and get the most out of your device's battery. Step 7. Power-saving accessories. Always use the original or certified fast charger designed for your CMF phone 1 to keep your battery healthy and performing at its best. Step 8. Avoid heavy phone usage while charging to prevent overheating and prolong your battery's lifespan. Step 9. Battery life is largely determined by the number of charge and discharge cycles it goes through. A charge-discharge cycle refers to the process of fully charging a battery from 0% to 100% and then discharging it back to 0%. Most modern lithium-ion batteries, like those used in smartphones, are rated for a specific number of cycles, e.g., 500 to 1000 cycles, before their capacity begins to degrade significantly. After this point, the battery may only hold 80% or less of its original capacity. The rate of degradation can increase as the cycle count rises. Fully discharging a battery to 0% before recharging puts more stress on it than recharging at higher levels, e.g., 20% to 80% usage is healthier. Charge the battery between 20% and 80% instead of letting it drain fully, or charge to 100% repeatedly. That's all for this video. I'd love to hear your thoughts or any questions you have. Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Let's keep growing, learning, and creating a smarter, more productive future together. Thanks again, and see you in the next video on the body trail. Stay inspired and stay curious.